Hey guys, it's
Hello,
us again.
Don't get
Anna
tired of
and
us.
Alice.
Oh, double A's.
Right? Double A's. We're here, the double A's. But anyway, we're here today because we want to share product of the month, okay?
Our
we want to
favorite
share
product for the month.
Our favorite product for the month. There's so many products out there. But we're just, Alice picked something that she really likes for the month, and I picked something that I really like. I want to tell you guys about my favorite adhesive. I have tried a lot of adhesives, so I don't want you to be like, oh, that's because you haven't tried blah, blah, blah. Honestly, if there's a lash company out there, I probably tried it.
Yes, you have.
Yeah,
Yes,
I probably tried it. I've tried a lot, okay?
Probably everything.
But let me tell you something. Flex adhesive. I
The
love
best.
this, guys. I love this adhesive. To show you Tornado also, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about both, but I'm gonna focus on my favorite right now, Flex. And I was just like, oh my God.
Yeah,
Like I
life
really
changer.
liked it.
Game changer.
Game changer.
Game changer.
And do you guys know how much this is? It's like around 30 bucks.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
$30.
And if you come to the store and pick it up, because remember, the Lash Supply has like 15 stores in the US, so there has to be one near you.
Everywhere.
Yeah, they're online. And then Alice and I both have a code you can use.
Yeah.
Mine's
You can use the code.
Anna10.
Mine's Alicia 10. I have my government name. I'm Alice, but my government name is Alicia.
Yeah. Anyway, those are our codes for online at
get 10%
thelashsupply.com.
off.
Yes, you get 10% off. So it's like you're not paying for any shipping. And a little extra.
No, and you get free shipping.
No, you don't get free shipping anymore.
No.
No. You have to buy, I think, $100 worth of supplies or something like that.
Yeah, but it's easy to buy $100 worth of supplies.
Yeah,
So
it's
just buy
easy.
$100 worth of supplies.
Yeah, so if you do the Anna10 and Alicia 10, you'll get 10% off if there's not a store near you. But I really recommend that you look up the stores near you because, guys, I mean, you don't have to wait for anything getting shipped to you.
Yeah.
You can just walk in and grab it, whatever it is that you need.
Time.
You do what you can to work with it. You use other sizes and make it work, but in reality, you don't feel your best if you don't have the supplies that you need. And walking into the Lash Supply store, it's like you grab what you need and you're out,
And
right?
they're open 7 days a week.
Yes, they are, and that's amazing.
So that works.
But anyway, I like the Flex 4.0 because it dries really quick. Of course, you know that if your humidity is a little higher, it's going to dry a little faster. If it's a little lower, it's going to dry a little slower.
But the humidity levels on that glue
But it's
is
so
really good.
Yeah, it is. What does it say?
I think it's 40 to
on
70.
here? 50 to 65, but honestly, it does
so-
work.
No, it's 40 to 70. Well, I use it between those ranges.
Yeah, I use it in those ranges too, like mid 40s to like 70. You're still really good.
Yeah, and it dries fast.
So I'm like, you guys need to update this because
Yeah,
this is not true.
yeah.
Like,
I'm like,
this works better in
This
all.
isn't advertised enough. It needs more advertisement.
Yeah, we needed to
so
advertise
good.
a little better. But definitely dries really fast for those of you advanced lash techs and can dry in 1 second for those of you who need to catch up.
And the
you know what I
fumes
mean?
aren't as strong.
Yes, the fumes are not as strong. They really are. Now there's Tornado. Tornado's a really good glue as well. This dries really fast.
Yeah, that one's
if
really fast.
you are like trying to lash mega or volume really, really fast, Tornado's for you. Like you're gonna lash. Even classic.
Yeah, I was
actually.
gonna say I actually use those.
Yeah.
So in my little storage container, I have
Yeah.
a Tornado and a Flex. Because I'm like,
Yes,
if I was
I
paying
do too.
$90
Yeah.
for one glue, I'm like, I can afford to have
I
two.
do too. And this works
So I
good in
use that.
lower humidity
Yes,
levels too.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
This one in
I
lower
love-
humidity levels, it's like
I think that's like 30 to 50, no?
yeah, it's so inexpensive,
Yeah.
guys. Like all these glues are like, I don't know, under 35,
No, they're
30,
under $30.
22,
Yeah.
like all the different ones. They're just, they're so inexpensive, and I don't feel bad throwing away a bottle of glue after a month if it still has some.
And the lifetime
you know?
on these, I think it's
Yeah.
from a month to 2 months of lifetime.
Yeah.
So it gives us a little bit more time.
I usually switch out my glue at a month or a month and 2 weeks.
Okay,
Right?
month and a half.
Yeah, month and 2 weeks. Because I don't want to take the chance.
Yeah, but
you
then
know?
again, like,
But they are
if you're
really
working
good.
consistently, though, you will use up
You'll use
the
it.
glue.
Yeah, you'll really
Yeah.
use it where you're like squeezing it out.
So I started using the 0.3,
Yes.
well, 0.03s, which is my favorite one. Okay, I'm jumping.
Product of the
but
month.
My product of the month. But I have to like share that with that.
Yes.
I feel like switching to 0.3s. They're so much thinner.
Yes.
And with the glue being as amazing as it is, my retention has been
Yes.
insane.
Absolutely
And
agree.
my lash tech told me that. She's like, Alice, because I told her, I'm like, hey girl, like, I'm a brand ambassador for the Lash Supply, like, check out their stuff, blah, blah, blah. And she loved 0.3s and I loved 0.5s.
Yeah.
Whatever, I'm jumping. She loved 0.3s and I love 0.5s. And she was like, girl, amazed, because my retention is so, I finished my refills in less than an hour, and it can be a volume refill.
Yeah.
I'm like, how do you
because
do that?
the glue's drying how it's supposed to dry. The lashes are thin enough, they're light. You know what I mean?
So they dry
fan out
faster too.
Yeah, and they fan out so good.
Yeah.
All I use is 0.03. I throw some 0.05s in there sometimes because I do like the Lash Supply's 0.05s. They also fan really well.
Yeah.
And they're just so dark.
They're dark.
Yeah, they're really dark. If you think 0.03s are dark, 0.05s are really dark.
Yeah.
And if you want to do, I mean, what kind of sets do you do with some of these?
So I mainly do my hybrids with the 0.5s just because I don't want them to look as full, and I feel like with the 0.3s I make wider fans, so it's just like that density.
Yeah.
So I always use the 0.5s for my hybrids, and sometimes I use them for my wet looks.
Yeah.
So for my wet looks I like to just slick them.
Yeah.
And then apply them as the wet look, and they'll stay like that. Like they'll give you that wet look because they're such fine lashes. Like it's so easy to use. These fan like they're 0.3s.
Yeah, they
and
do.
they're 0.5s.
They do fan like they're 0.3s. I love how the 0.05s fan.
These are so good.
I love 0.05s,
they're
but
so good.
I use 0.03 for just about everything because, like you said, the retention for me is amazing.
Yeah.
And guys, don't forget that the diameter matters. So if they're 0.03, they're going to be a lot lighter than 0.05. And not everybody has the same lash line. So I feel like if I'm using 0.03, I'm doing it safely.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I'm not
playing it safe.
I'm playing it safe, putting 0.03 on everybody versus 0.05.
And even for spikes.
Yeah.
I feel like these for spikes are really, really good. Even if it's 0.7s or 0.5s, I love those for spikes because they're so much darker.
They are.
And they give it that like illusion of the strip
just
lash. Like,
out there.
it looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. You can use, I do some wispies with 0.03 also. But when you use 0.05, that's a big
I think it's for that drama. Like, if the
you
girl
want it
walks
dramatic.
in, like, I feel like, okay, yes, if you want a dramatic wispy, use 0.5s.
For the wisps.
For the wisps, yeah, for the wisps.
the wisps.
And if you want more of a textured look, use 0.3s for the wisp.
And for some of you who are learning to fan, it's important to have good lashes.
Yes.
People think that if you just learn how to fan, you can just fan anything.
Well, even in class, like I remember when the girls, because when I was in school, obviously I already knew how to lash, but I think almost every girl in there, they didn't have any experience. Like they knew about it, but they didn't know how to do it.
Didn't know how.
And they were buying lashes and lashes and lashes, and they're like, we don't like these, like they're hard to fan. And then we're just, with me and Miss Ana, we're always like, girl, try the Lash Supply, try the lash. And not only that, but I don't think they're expensive. I think they're really cheap for the quality of the lashes that they are.
Like I said, I've tried so many products, including lashes. And
girl, lash trays are now like $18, $20, $22.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
God dang.
Where's my profit?
I know. It's like they're getting, I mean, I know cost is going up.
Yeah.
But what are these, like $14.99 or something? No, some of them are like 12.
Yeah, they're like 12. They're no
depending
more than $15.
on what it, they're no more than 15 bucks.
Yeah.
And they fan out so well that you're not going to be wasting so much
And remember,
product.
if you order over $100, which if we're being realistic is like 8 trays, maybe less, and then you use our code,
you get 10% off.
That's a whole nother tray.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy. You can't get the discount if you walk into the store, unfortunately.
You can't.
You cannot get the discount. You have to order online to get the discount. But either way, guys, it's good quality product. And like I said, if you're in a hurry and you need the product like today, you can just go into the store and grab it and go. I gotta tell you guys, tweezers are everything. Another thing when you're fanning, when you're learning how to fan.
Girl's bestie.
Tweezers are everything. Your tools are very important. Okay?
Wait, but look at the packaging.
Oh, I love it. It's so cute.
Look at the color.
You know what? I bought.
It's totally spring season.
I got like
vibes.
3 of these, right?
I know, I saw.
They're all purple, but
I was like, girl.
But let me tell you something. I could not get rid of these.
No, I kept them.
They're like in my lash card because I just don't.
And I'm like, for what? I don't need them, but I can't get rid of
I don't need them because I have a storage holder.
Which we also sell here at the Lash Supply.
Yes. but I couldn't get rid of these. I was just
they're
like,
so
they're so cute. What do I need them for?
cute.
But I don't know what I need them for, but I'm just like, they're just
for something.
Do you see they have this like little cushion inside for your
so
tweezers?
Cute. It's so cute.
And then they just close like mint, like
and
a
the
mint
colors,
case.
our collection, I think they have like
they're pastel,
pink,
yeah,
pastel, like lilac, like baby
it's
purple, and
yeah,
like a turquoise, right?
It's like a Tiffany blue.
Yeah, like a
or
Tiffany
something.
blue.
It's
We're
just
fancy
so
here.
cute. Yeah, we're fancy. We need to call it Tiffany blue. Don't
we should
come after us, Tiffany. We're just saying. We're just saying. But it's so cute. If you love that like Tiffany blue color, our pastel blue is just so beautiful.
Yeah.
I have all the purple. I love pink.
I have a pink and I have a the baby blue, well, the Tiffany blue one.
But what I like about these is their fiber tip. Back in the day, let me tell y'all something about fiber tip. Fiber tip has come a long way because back then, fiber tip, if you would have asked me like, do you like fiber tip? I'd be like,
said no.
I don't like it. I really don't like the fiber tip. Because the fiber tip inside, it kind of looks like a nail file, like the metal nail files.
See, and it wouldn't let them open.
Yeah, if you try to grab,
They were. I feel like estaban muy grandes. Like they were just a little too big, and the fans when they're trying to open, they're trying to fight it.
The fiber tip inside looked like the metal nail file. It had those little tiny squares.
Yeah.
And so it would grab everything off the lash tray.
Yeah, but
when you try to
open.
fan it, it would get stuck in between the
it wouldn't
lines.
open.
These are like the micro fiber tips.
Super thin,
Tiny little squares in there. And usually when you have a tweezer that you want to fan with, you have to find that sweet spot. The sweet spot is where it closes the most and it's gonna grab
it.
Yeah, it's gonna grip it and grab the lashes better.
But with this,
But fiber tip,
you don't need a sweet spot.
it's the whole tweezer's the sweet spot.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
The whole thing.
The whole
bottom
thing.
line.
So when you grab some lashes, whether it's closer to the tip, the middle, or the end, it's gonna grab all of them and it's gonna bring them where you want. And then you can either pinch and fan it out just smoothly.
Easily.
Or
And
you
you
can
don't
just
lose that grip.
You don't lose that grip.
Because there is some tweezers that when we're pinching them, if we pinch a little too much or we're trying to adjust it in our hands,
Oh, I love the grip on it.
it lets it loose, and I'm just like,
Yeah,
there goes
like-
tweezers, there goes lashes that I have to waste.
Yes, I love these tweezers. I cannot get over these.
You waste you
Yeah.
waste no lashes. You save yourself time.
Yes.
and it's so easy to
And
grip.
you know, these are my favorite just because they're so pretty, right? Like they're so pretty. But the Lash Supply actually has other fiber tip tweezers that are not limited edition. So if for any reason,
so what's limited edition is just the color.
yes,
But we
it's
still
just the
offer the
color.
fiber,
yes,
the microfiber tips.
It's just the packaging, the color. We only have so many of these, and they're amazing.
You need
yes,
to come grab some.
You know,
They're
the
so cute.
store in Houston on 45 South, they're always running out of some of these, and they're only going to stock them up as much as they can. Once they're out of the
they're out,
warehouse, they're out. You know what I mean? The store in Houston here on Bel Air, they're always stocked up, but once in a while, they're out of something too. You know what I mean? Even though they're really good because they're closer to our warehouse, but
So they still run out.
They still run out. There's so many people that come every day, but I love these. I love fiber tip now.
I love those. I love the
Now
color.
that
I
I'm
love
using,
the grip.
yes, now that I'm using the fiber tips, I just can't go back to my regulars.
Yeah.
And I had a lot of my regulars.
And remember when before we were introduced, I was just like, how do you feel about fiber tips?
And I was just like, I don't like it.
And I was just like, well, if she doesn't like it, I'm not gonna like it.
Because I hadn't tried the new microfiber tip.
We hadn't tried the Lash Supply
Yes.
microfiber tip.
And you know, JoJo from the Lash Supply, she was just like, oh, microfiber. And I was like, microfiber?
Yeah.
I was like, really? Okay, girl, let me try this. And when I did, I was like, oh, I love these.
Miss JoJo was onto something.
Yes,
She knew what she was doing.
Exactly. So now I tell everybody about these. But again, if you can't get to the limited edition ones,
And you can also order them online.
yes,
You can order them
you
online
can.
too.
Don't forget that they're on Amazon now too. Yeah,
What's on Amazon? The Lash Supply?
The Lash Supply is on Amazon, guys. So if you have Prime, you can actually get it.
And they're on Prime. We love it
Yes,
here.
ma'am. So there's no excuses. Guys, send us your comments or your questions. We're happy to make videos on anything that you guys are curious about.
Anything and everything.
Anything at all that you have questions. If you want to see us use Flex Glue, I mean, I think we are going to do some stuff.
Yes, we have a project coming up.
We have a
with
project
the demo,
coming up.
With
Yes.
the demo.
We're going to be doing some demos where we're actually
And when we're doing it, we can give like a super short summary of like what we're using, you know, like so that they can see
so
it.
you can see
and-
us working in action.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna actually be doing some live, not models, customers.
Yeah.
We're gonna actually be doing customers.
Yeah.
And we use this product all the time, so you can see how it works for us while we're doing it.
Yeah.
And you guys can, be the judge of that and, go and grab it. But these are our favorite products for the month. Hopefully we can do one
we should do one every month. Yes,
every single month. Let's do a product of the month. But if you guys want to see any products out there in the store and you want us to talk about it or give you some information, let us know. Put it in the comments. And again, we're so thankful for our sponsor, the Lash Supply, because they just have so many amazing products. And I feel like lashing
so much
is
amazing, affordable products.
Affordable
all of their
products.
things here are very, very, very affordable.
Very affordable and on demand.
Yes.
They're on demand. If you need it, they got it.
Yeah.
Like I believe their lashes and the glue, if they're not working for you within, I think, a day or two, you can bring it back and they'll replace it. Yeah.
Wow.
I believe it's with the lashes and the adhesive. If for some reason you got a bad batch.
Both. Yeah.
Or they're just not.
Because things happen.
Things happen sometimes.
And there might be.
And it has nothing to do with the lash supply. Sometimes it's the manufacturing. You know what I mean? It's just like a little incident or whatever.
Yeah.
But the good thing is that they'll replace it.
We are very responsible adults.
Yes, exactly. Hopefully you can join us next time. Please like our videos, subscribe, comment,
and share everything.
Yes. And we'll see you guys next time on the Lash Live. Bye.